My name is Samuel Jacob Alifa. Focus on your thoughts.
Okay.
I'm also a screenwriter and a filmmaker. Growing up, I've always wanted to make movies. I don't mind owning 2 ships, but trust me now, I ain't gonna own 2 ships.
And Angel's a sweet girl.
I know. She became mood swing sometimes.
Exactly what you wear. What you wear. What you wear.
The big brother, my heart is broken. My friend Boma took my baby girl to the excited laugh.
What do you mean by plan B? When did that one even come?
What did I say, please?
Man, fish your work.
Did I call you? I didn't call your name. I really wanted to just win. Big brothers have given me this self-confidence.